The Total Money Makeover is a personal finance book by Dave Ramsey. It offers a step-by-step plan for achieving financial independence by following a set of principles focused on budgeting, debt reduction, saving, and investing. Here's a detailed summary of the key points from the book. Introduction: The Total Money Makeover. Dave Ramsey opens the book by discussing the prevalence of financial problems and the need for a comprehensive financial plan. He introduces the concept of a total money makeover and sets the stage for the book's principles. Chapter 1: The Total Money Makeover Challenge. Ramsey challenges readers to commit to transforming their financial lives. He emphasizes the importance of making financial decisions that are in line with one's values and goals. Chapter 2: Denial. I'm not that out of shape. The author addresses the common tendency to deny or downplay one's financial problems. He encourages readers to face their financial reality and take responsibility for their situation. Chapter 3: Debt Myths. Debt is not a tool. Ramsey dispels common myths about debt being a helpful financial tool. He argues that debt should be avoided, and he introduces the concept of the Debt Snowball method for paying off debts. Chapter 4: Money Myths, the Non-Existent Emergency Fund. The book discusses the importance of building an emergency fund to cover unexpected expenses. Ramsey recommends starting with a $1,000 emergency fund before aggressively paying off debt. Chapter 5: Two More Hurdles: The Debt Snowball and Credit Card Hurdles. Ramsey outlines the Debt Snowball method, which involves paying off debts from smallest to largest. He also advises readers to cut up their credit cards to avoid further debt accumulation. Chapter 6: The Total Money Makeover, a Financial Fitness Plan. The author introduces the Baby Steps plan, which includes 7 steps for achieving financial security. These steps encompass building an emergency fund, paying off all debts, and investing for the future. Chapter 7: Baby Step 1. $1,000 to start an emergency fund. The book delves into the first of the baby steps, which is saving $1,000 as an initial emergency fund to cover unexpected expenses. Chapter 8: Baby Step 2, Pay off all debt, using the Debt Snowball. Ramsey outlines the Debt Snowball method and encourages readers to focus on eliminating all non-mortgage debts, starting with the smallest balance and working up. Chapter 9: Baby Step 3. 3 to 6 months of expenses in savings. The book discusses the importance of building a fully funded emergency fund of 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses for added financial security. Chapter 10: Baby Step 4. Invest 15% of your household income in retirement. Ramsey recommends investing 15% of your income into retirement accounts, such as 401ks and IRAs, to secure your financial future. Chapter 11: Baby Step 5. College Funding for Children. The author advises on saving for your children's college education by contributing to a $529 college savings plan. Chapter 12: Baby Step 6. Pay off your home. Early. Ramsey discusses the benefits of paying off your mortgage early to achieve complete financial freedom. Chapter 13: Baby Step 7. Build wealth and give. The book emphasizes building wealth through investments, real estate, and other income-generating assets. Ramsey also encourages giving generously to causes that matter to you. Chapter 14: Real Estate, the Great American Myth. The author dispels the myth that real estate is always a good investment and provides guidance on responsible home buying. Chapter 15: The Great Misunderstanding, Your Most Important Financial Lesson. Ramsey concludes the book by stressing the importance of personal responsibility and financial literacy. He encourages readers to live by the principles outlined in the book and maintain their financial fitness. The Total Money Makeover offers a comprehensive and practical plan for individuals and families to take control of their finances, eliminate debt, and achieve financial freedom.